Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Clek Liing infant car seat. This seats children from 4 to 35 pounds. Let's get into some of the features. Depending on the color options you choose, you'll either be picking from jersey knit merino wool or their tailored C0 Plus fabric. All of these fabrics are naturally flame retardant, so they don't use any harsh chemicals. The Liing is designed with a European belt path, so the carrier can be securely installed in a vehicle without the base. It's also aircraft approved. The 3-position SPF 100 Plus adjustable canopy provides coverage from the sun with a mesh peekaboo window for airflow and visibility into the car seat. It has an expiration of 9 years after purchase. Liing is designed to work with brands like Baby Jogger, Bugaboo, Bumble Ride, Silver Cross, Thule, and Up-A-Baby, using the Maxi Cozy car seat adapter made by each stroller brand. It weighs only 9 pounds, and its one-handed quick release makes it easy to remove the Liing from a stroller or car seat base. The base itself has a 13-position metal load leg to fit against the floor of any car. It also includes secure rigid-LATCH installation. Lastly, the base has 7 different recline positions to fit the slope of your vehicle seat, with a bubble indicator to let you know the recline is correct for your baby's weight. There are multiple ways to install the Liing car seat, both with and without the base. We're going to start by using the rigid-LATCH system within the base. To begin, turn the base upside down and pull out the load leg. Flip the base back over and place it on the vehicle seat. From here, pull down on the white tab in the base with one hand and use the other to extend the rigid-LATCH connectors in back. Repeat this on the other side. Align each latch connector with its respective lower anchor, and then push them in until they lock. The indicator windows turn from red to green when they're secure. Pull down on those white tabs again, then push the base into the crease of the vehicle seat. The ratcheting system will lock it tighter. Now pull out on the load leg adjustment handle and use the other hand to extend the load leg to the vehicle floor. Pull up on the handle to lock the load leg and make sure the indicator has turned from red to green. Adjust the recline for your child's weight based on the bubble indicator by pushing the white tab. It's best to have it in the most reclined position within the appropriate weight range indicated. Check your installation, making sure the base does not move more than 1 inch in any direction. If you prefer to install the base with the vehicle seatbelt instead, begin by pulling out the load leg and then placing the base on the seat so it's against the seat back. To open up the belt tensioner, squeeze the white handle. Pull down the seatbelt and route the lap portion through each of the blue belt guides. Buckle the seatbelt and then route the shoulder belt back through the guides. Pull the slack out of the shoulder belt and then close the belt tensioner over it. You may need to use 2 hands to lock it all the way. Make sure that each of the tensioner indicators have changed from red to green. We recommend locking the vehicle seatbelt as well. Now extend the load leg to the vehicle floor. Pull up on the handle to lock the load leg and make sure the indicator has turned from red to green. Adjust the recline for your child's weight based on the bubble indicator. It's best to have it in the most reclined position with the appropriate weight range indicated. Check your installation, making sure the base does not move more than 1 inch in any direction. Once the car seat base is installed using either method, place the Liing onto the base until it locks. You'll know it's secure because the release handle in the back will be flush with no red visible. To remove the carrier from the base, pull back and hold the lock tab and pull out on the carrier's release handle. Lift to remove the Liing with your other hand. Because the Liing has a European belt path, you can install it without the base. We'll show you how to do that now. Position the Liing on your vehicle seat with the child facing the rear and rotate it as needed so the blue recline reference line is parallel with the ground. Route the lap portion of the seatbelt across the seat and make sure that it's under both lap belt guides. Buckle the seatbelt. Wrap the shoulder belt across the back of the Liing and position it in the shoulder belt guide. Push the Liing into the vehicle seat while pulling on the shoulder belt to tighten it and remove slack. Be sure to pull out the shoulder belt all the way and let it retract so the seat belt itself locks. Check your installation and double check that the recline reference line is still level with the ground. We absolutely love the Clek Liing. Clek is super transparent about the safety of their car seats, so they're super safe car seats. They're easy to install and lightweight, so all good things. Thanks for watching. If you want to shop this car seat or any other Clek car seats, shop at babycubby.com, where every order over $25 ships free. If you'd like to watch another infant car seat video, click on this link. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are any car seats or strollers you want to learn more about, let us know in the comments below.